Hello students, so let us solve this question from IIT JAM. So they have given you two input A and B, okay, and these inputs are going to the as a to OR gate and AND gate, okay. So if you see the output of OR gate and in an AND gate, this will be A plus B and AB, and again this A plus B, okay, output of this going input to the one OR gate. Similarly, it is output of AND gate also going as an input of your OR gate, okay. So this OR gate will give you me A plus B, and here I am getting input AB, okay. So A plus B, AB. If I solve this one, this will give me, if I take B common, this will be 1 plus A, and 1 plus A is again equals to 1, so this will give me A plus B, okay. Similarly, if I see the output at this position, okay, I am giving the input A plus B, and here the output of this gate AB is coming here. So will be AND gate. So A plus B into AB. So this will give me, because A is A, so I get AB, and similarly BB is B, so I get AB. So A plus B plus A plus B, which is equal to AB. So again the output of this is AB. Okay. Similarly, again this A plus B and AB is going to the as an input of OR gate. So the output will be X will be A plus B, okay, and the output Y will be your, like same like here AB, okay. So now this is the output X and Y. Now in the question is asking, if you give A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, okay, what will be the value of your X and Y? So if you put A equals to 1, B equals to 0 here, okay, obviously your X will be 1, okay, and if you put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0 here, so Y will be 0, okay. So this is given as option 1. So this is the correct option for this question, okay. Thank you very much.